So this video was supposed to be a different style video, and I ended up not being that kind of video. So this mower here was gotten yesterday, or the day before yesterday. I'm just grabbing my phone so I can use the calculator. I paid $25 for two mowers, which works out to, not calendar, calculator, 25 divided by 2, so this was a $12.50 mower. Sorry, it's been a long day already. I didn't even look at the clock when I had the phone out. So I was told that this mower ran. However, when I put fuel in it, you see that I've got the fuel clamps on it. Oh my God, this is a nasty looking filter. I'm going to be behind you blowing air. And so I don't want to say it's not possible that it runs, because it very well could, but we have some more issues, because it started pouring fuel out as soon as I put gas in it. So, like I said, it's not possible that it runs, or it's not impossible that it runs. It's just, well, whether or not it runs, if it's pissing fuel out, it's not good. So I found one of my favorite screwdrivers that I had. You know, one of my all-time favorite screwdrivers I own. Man, it was pouring fuel out. The primer, this whole cup here is full of fuel. And I know it's, so what that tells me, from my experience, is that this has a clogged needle. Let me get a 1/4 inch millimeter. So give me 1 second. It looks like I already have it out. So let me try to find it. Alright, let me find it. Alright, so I started to unhook this carburetor, and I remembered, oh yeah, I'm filming a video. So the carburetor's got to come off so we can address that issue with it dumping fuel everywhere. I have a new tool over there, but I don't think I'm ready to use it yet. I have an ultrasonic cleaner, and I'm not entirely sure how long, or not entirely sure how to use it yet. And man, since I know this is good fuel, I'm just going to do this. I know it's clean. So this thing, it needs a good dusting, so I'm going to shut the camera off and do that. So while that's over there ultrasonically cleaning, we're going to take a look at this mower, and I'm going to wish, and I can already tell you, I kind of wish I didn't pay $12.50 for it. So this thing, I'm going to do my best to put as little money into as humanly possible, because this thing at best is a $50 or $60 mower, and I'm going to show you why momentarily. So we're going to take this little top cover off. Hey, this has that same setup as that last mower we looked at. I'm going to take that off because I really want to make sure you get best possible look at what the heck is going on this mower. That makes me go, Eric, you idiot, why would you do this to yourself? So I imagine that this engine probably runs pretty good. I don't really see anything engine-wise. But I knew that this deck had some rust holes. in it, and you've seen me take these tanks off before, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. Unless you're not one of my normal subscribers, then I'm sorry. But it's just 3 8mm bolts here, and then a 10mm bolt down there that's already missing. So I didn't put a whole lot of gas in this, because, you know, gas isn't expensive right now, but it's also not cheap. And if I wasn't going to use this mower, I didn't want to waste a lot of gas. So, whoa, whoops, sorry, I just tripped on the tripod. So, I need to come up with something better than a normal tripod, because this is just a normal Amazon Basics tripod, and it gets in my way a lot. And like, I feel like a monopod of some sort would be ideal. Is this my 10? Yes, it is. So, I don't know like how long I'm supposed to run that ultrasonic cleaner. There's 2 bolts on the front, and then 2 bolts back here. And that lifts right up. What I was looking for was to see if there was going to be a whole bunch of like rat's nest or anything up here, which I don't see. It actually looks pretty clean. But without all this in the way, I got to show you what I just saw moments before I turned the camera on. And holy crap. Let me get you. So this is the paint of the mower. And underneath the paint has come off. Crap. Paint has come off, and then there's just dirt building up behind it. So I really don't know what to make of that. I've never seen this condition on a mower before, and luckily that's not all rust. I'm just going to, when I get it home, I'm going to clean it up, and I'm going to spray some black paint on it, and just be like, hey, look, this mower is ugly, but it cuts. You know what I mean? Because why waste I don't want to waste a whole lot of money and time on something that is just not going to be worth it in the end. But I just thought you'd get a kick out of that. That's hilarious. Another thing that tells a lot of story on the lawnmower is the spark plug. I have said this before, and I will probably say this in every video, except the last one, where I take a spark plug out. I love these magnetic spark plug sockets. Oh, hold on, I got you way zoomed in. It's not bad. This will probably run just fine. Got a couple of them at home. Like I said, I ordered a 4-pack. They should be there soon. Actually, they're there now. So what I'm going to do now, my oil drain pan still over there. I'm going to turn this over, pull the, set it to drain oil. That oil doesn't look too terrible either. Oh, wow. So, we're not going to go any further on this mower today. Probably never, for that matter. Yeah, hold that bell shut. This blade is completely shot. your lawnmower blade should not look like that. Just saying. Now, shoot. These blades are easy or cheap enough to get, but the question is like, is it really worth? Is this particular machine worth me putting that kind of effort into finding one? Oh, actually, I see something that's even worse right now. I'm gonna have to bring you guys over here. Sorry about the motion. I'm hoping to be able to get you over there to look at this. That blade adapter is also broken. So basically what's happening at this point is this machine, nothing but engine parts to make. It's not worth anything. Well, this blade adapter, I can get one, and like I think it comes with the bolt and the little piece here, and it's like 15 bucks. So like I said, like if this machine, like it's got a bunch of rust holes in the and my name is going to go on this. Like I've already said before, you know, when I do lawnmowers, I give people a business card, and then I often get, hey, my friend bought a mower from you. Do you have anything else for sale? So I'm not going to tarnish my good name with a piece of crap machine. You know what I mean? Like an extra 40 bucks is not worth it to me to have my name turned to crap. But I am curious. Oh, and this is cracked here. Let me take you over to the ultrasonic cleaner. Let's see what this looks like. It's been running maybe 10 minutes at most. Alright, so this thing's been running like 10 minutes at the most. I'm going to turn it off. And we saw what that carburetor bowl looked like before, right? And it's completely clean now. This was all gunked up, and it still kind of is. But I'm going to let that go while I work on the next machine. While I work on the next machine. Because I'm just really curious how well this thing's going to work. I don't know if you can hear it or not over all the other noise in here. But this is going to be the end of this video. So thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.